When you teach a coding class, managing assignments, starter code, student submissions, and feedback can easily become overwhelming. That's where a well-designed classroom tool makes a big difference. Two standout options are GitHub Classroom and Replit Teams, and each brings something different to the table. Let's start with GitHub Classroom. Its strength lies in giving students a real developer workflow experience. With GitHub Classroom, you can create starter repositories, send a single link to students, and each student gets their own private repository forked from the template. You can set up individual or group assignments, track who accepted the assignment, and integrate automated testing so that when a student pushes code, the tests run and you see results quickly. For instructors who want their students to learn Git, version control, branching, and collaboration the way real-world developers work, this is a huge plus. Also, everything is hosted on the same platform most developers already use, so you're training students on tools they will likely encounter in industry. Now let's talk about Replit Teams for Education. Replit has built a collaborative browser-based coding environment where students can code, run, and debug right in their web browser. In the Teams environment, you get real-time collaboration, multiplayer, meaning you as the instructor can drop in and watch code being worked on by your students, join the session, or give feedback live. You also get shared folders, organized repos, coding workspaces for your course. An easier setup so that students do not need to install anything locally or worry about environment mismatches. The simplicity and immediacy of the environment make it especially strong for introductory courses, remote teaching, or when you want students to focus on coding rather than on setup. In short, GitHub Classroom is the professional dev workflow tool for CS instructors who want serious depth. Replit Teams is the fast start collaborative environment tool for instructors who prioritize classroom convenience and student ease. Both help you manage assignments, distribute starter code, and give feedback, but they do so with different priorities. Choose the one that aligns best with your course structure, your students' experience, and your teaching goals.